Imagine a world where complex problems are solved in seconds, unlocking new possibilities across industries. How can a single quantum chip change the game forever? Welcome to the Atomic Domain, where today we explore Microsoft's Majorana 1 quantum chip and its incredible potential to revolutionize technology as we know it. The potential applications of the Majorana 1 quantum chip span numerous industries, presenting opportunities to revolutionize existing practices and address complex problems. In the realm of healthcare, the ability to harness quantum computing could lead to significant advancements in personalized medicine. By analyzing vast amounts of genetic and clinical data, quantum computers could help identify the most effective treatments for individual patients. This approach could lead to more targeted therapies, reducing trial and error in treatment plans and ultimately improving patient outcomes. Imagine a scenario where a quantum-enhanced algorithm analyzes a patient's genomic data alongside their medical history. By identifying unique genetic markers and predicting how the patient might respond to various treatments, healthcare providers could tailor therapies to maximize effectiveness. This precision medicine approach not only benefits patients, but also optimizes resource allocation in healthcare systems, reducing costs associated with ineffective treatments and hospital readmissions. Additionally, quantum computing has the potential to accelerate drug discovery processes. Traditional drug development is often a lengthy and expensive endeavor, taking years to bring a new drug to market. However, quantum algorithms could simulate molecular interactions with unparalleled accuracy, enabling researchers to explore potential drug candidates rapidly. By modeling complex biochemical reactions, scientists could identify promising compounds that might otherwise go unnoticed. For instance, the development of quantum-based simulations could lead to breakthroughs in treating diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and various genetic disorders. Researchers could use these simulations to design drugs that specifically target the underlying mechanisms of these diseases, potentially leading to more effective treatments with fewer side effects. Moreover, quantum computing can enhance our understanding of fundamental biological processes. By simulating cellular interactions and metabolic pathways, researchers could gain insights into how diseases develop and progress. This knowledge could inform preventive measures and public health strategies, ultimately leading to healthier populations. The implications of the Majorana 1 quantum chip extend beyond specific applications, as its development raises fundamental questions about the nature of computation itself. Quantum computing challenges our classical understanding of information processing, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In exploring the philosophical implications of quantum technologies, one might consider how our perception of reality is influenced by our understanding of information. Quantum mechanics introduces concepts such as superposition and entanglement, which challenge traditional notions of causality and separability. As quantum computing becomes more mainstream, society must grapple with these ideas, leading to a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. As the Majorana 1 chip continues to evolve, researchers are exploring its potential to drive advancements in artificial intelligence. The integration of quantum computing with AI could lead to transformative capabilities, enabling machines to learn and adapt more efficiently. Quantum-enhanced machine learning algorithms could analyze vast datasets, uncovering hidden patterns and insights that classical algorithms may miss. In the field of natural language processing, for example, quantum computing could revolutionize how machines understand and generate human language. By leveraging the unique properties of quantum systems, researchers could develop more sophisticated models capable of understanding context, nuance, and sentiment. This advancement could enhance applications ranging from virtual assistants to translation services, making interactions with machines more intuitive and human-like. Furthermore, the intersection of quantum computing and AI raises questions about ethics and responsibility. As machines become more capable, discussions surrounding their decision-making processes and the potential for bias become paramount. ensuring that quantum-enhanced AI systems are designed with fairness and transparency in mind is essential to prevent unintended consequences and maintain public trust. As the potential applications of the Majorana 1 chip continue to unfold, the need for collaboration among researchers, industry leaders, and policymakers becomes increasingly vital. The development of quantum technologies must be guided by ethical considerations, with an emphasis on inclusivity and societal benefit. Efforts to establish frameworks for responsible innovation are crucial to ensure that the advantages of quantum computing are accessible to all. Initiatives that promote diversity in STEM fields, particularly in quantum research, can help cultivate a broader range of perspectives and ideas, driving innovation forward. Education and outreach play a pivotal role, fostering a well-informed society that understands the implications of quantum technologies. By engaging the public in discussions about quantum computing, its potential benefits, and the challenges it poses, we can create a more informed citizenry, capable of contributing to the ongoing dialogue. The transition to a quantum-enabled future will also require investment in infrastructure and resources. As organizations seek to adopt quantum technologies, the availability of quantum computing resources, training programs, and research funding will be critical. Policymakers must prioritize investments in quantum research and education to ensure that the workforce is equipped with the skills needed to thrive in this new landscape. The societal implications of the Majorana 1 quantum chip also extend to considerations of privacy and data security. As quantum technologies become more integrated into everyday life, the potential for data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive information increases. Organizations must prioritize the development of quantum-resistant encryption methods to safeguard data against potential quantum threats. In this context, the role of regulatory frameworks cannot be overstated. Policymakers must establish guidelines that address the ethical use of quantum technologies while promoting innovation. The involvement of stakeholders from various sectors, technology, academia, and civil society will be crucial in shaping policies that balance the benefits of quantum computing with the need for responsible governance. As the journey toward practical quantum computing continues, the Majorana 1 chip stands at the forefront of this technological revolution. The potential to unlock solutions to complex problems, enhance human understanding, and drive innovation is immense. However, realizing this potential requires a collective effort, a commitment to collaboration, ethical considerations, and inclusivity. In conclusion, the Majorana 1 quantum chip represents a significant step toward a future where quantum computing becomes an integral part of our lives. From healthcare to finance, logistics to AI, the applications are vast and varied. As researchers and engineers work tirelessly to refine this technology, society must remain engaged and informed. The discussions surrounding the ethical, social, and economic implications of quantum computing are not just for scientists and policymakers, they are for everyone. If you found this exploration of Microsoft's Majorana 1 quantum chip enlightening, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and share this content with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the Atomic Domain for more deep dives into the world of science and technology. Join us on this exciting journey as we uncover the mysteries of the universe and explore the future of innovation, one breakthrough at a time.